The Quad City chapter of the National Weather Service has released its spring flood outlook for 2023. SAU Weekly's Alex Stepinski explains how possible flooding could impact us here at St. Ambrose.
Wednesday marked the first day of meteorological spring, and it's that time of the year that the Quad City National Weather Service is on alert.
The second spring flood outlook this year for the Rock Island gauge, it's here in the Quad Cities, gave a 50% chance of a flood of 19.5 feet. That's 1.5 feet over major flood stage.
But how did we get there? The National Weather Service receives a report from the River Forecast Center in Chanhassen, Minnesota, where all the snow up north melts and is sent down to us in Davenport.
We contact some of our partners at the U.S. Geological Survey and the U.S. Corps of Engineers. Then we package that up and we put it out as the spring flood outlooks.
But will it be as bad as the infamous flood of 2019?
In 2019, the second flood outlook had a 50% chance of a flood of 22.6 feet, which at that time was actually breaking the record flood for this area. Comparatively, it will be a worse flood year than many, but not nearly as bad as what we experienced back in 2019.
Students at St. Ambrose should take caution, especially if they're planning any kind of activity along the riverside.
But the infrastructure here is designed to withstand floods of about 19.5 feet. That's well within the area where the infrastructure and the levee system should be able to maintain.
With SAU Weekly, I'm Alex Stepinski.
Thanks, Alex. Wilson says that the possibility of more snowfall or spring rainfall to our north could change their current forecast. The final outlook will be released March 9th.